polynomial inequality with zeros of order 2 or more. We start with a review of the last video's polynomial inequality. Let's have y equals x plus 1, x minus 3, x plus 2, larger than 0. Okay. First of all, we will find the x-intercepts of the function. The x-intercepts are x equals -1, 3, and -2. Once we have the x-intercepts, or the zeros, we draw a number line. On this number line, we mark down the 3 zeros. So it's -2, -1, and 3. The next is to mark down plus minus signs. We look at the expansion. If we expand this polynomial, we have x cubed. And the x cubed is a positive term. Therefore, we start with positive and alternate negative, alternate positive, negative. What do we want to find? We want to find larger than 0, which means I want positive and positive. Therefore, the answer is this. For this interval is from -2 to -1, and x is from -2 to -1. So this is my answer for this interval. For this interval, x is just larger than 3. So that's my answer to this problem. Let's have a second example. Now, my second example has order of 2. The example is y equals -x, x plus 1, x plus 2, larger than 0. Now, I have a square on this bracket. This square is called order of 2. Order 2. As usual, the next step is to find x-intercepts, or the zeros. The zeros of the function is 0, -1, -2. Remember, this 2 is order 2. Draw a number line with the 3 zeros, -2, -1, 0. On this number line, we want to put plus minus signs. Now we look at the highest power of x. This is power 2. Here is power 2, power 3, and power 4. What is the sign? It's negative. So we start with negative. Negative, this is order 1. So negative, we alternate. This 0 is order 1. Look at here. This is order 1, so we alternate. And this 0, -2, is order 2. For order 2, you do not alternate the sign. So I still have negative. What do I want? I want larger than 0, which means positive. So the positive interval is only here. So my answer is -1 to 0. My x is in between. And this is my answer. Next example. The next example, we have y equals x minus 4 bracket, and this bracket goes to order 2. And this x plus 3, this is cubed, so this 0 is order 3, less than 0. Let me write down the zeros. The zeros are x equals 4, x equals -3. Number line, mark down the zeros. -3 and +4. Now I want to put down plus minus signs. Now the highest power, this is the exponent 3, exponent 2, so they are exponent 5, and with a positive sign. So I start with positive. The 4 comes from here, 4 comes from here, it's order 2. Let me circle this, order 2. Order 2, I do not change sign, so positive and positive, I do not change sign. This -3, -3 is order 3. Now, order 3 is an odd number. For odd number order, you change sign. So plus becomes minus. Now look at here, I want minus. So this is the interval I want. So what is the answer? X is less than -3. Let me make summary. Even order, sign does not change. No change. No change in sign. Odd order, odd order, you change the plus minus sign. Change sign. That's the rule. Okay. Let's have another example. Y equals -x plus 5 cubed, x minus 5 also cubed, and less than 0. So the zeros are x equals -5 and +5. Remember, -5 is order 3, +5 is order 3. Now I draw a number line. I mark down -5 and +5. Since they are both odd orders, so I change sign. There is a negative sign before the function, so I start with negative, positive, negative. What do I want? I want negative. I want less than 0, so I want negative, this interval and this interval. So my answer is x is less than -5, or x is larger than 5. And that is my answer. So for the next video, I will go to inequality of rational functions. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.